Reality offers cross-chain atomic swaps with no liquidity pools or intermediaries. This is something no other project has figured out. Most existing solutions, like those from Thorchain, Komodo, or Ren, still require liquidity pools or rely on a third party to hold assets during the swap. Reality Network eliminates this need, allowing for direct interaction between coins across chains. This advancement will significantly disrupt the DeFi landscape by making asset transfers faster, more cost-efficient, and truly decentralized. It opens up the potential for new DeFi primitives and protocols, essentially creates a decentralized order book of all digital assets and DEX of everything. I will contrast these other protocols below with Reality so you can understand the breakdown. Number 1. Liquidity providers or LPs. The leap in tech here is so high that if you tell anyone in crypto you can swap coins in a decentralized manner with no need for an LP, they'll tell you it's impossible. This is a game changer. Traditional cross-chain swaps depend on liquidity pools, which tie up capital, create central points of failure, and increase costs. Other projects require liquidity providers for swaps. In this model, assets must be deposited into a shared pool, where they earn fees, but users are dependent on the pool's liquidity depth. If a pool lacks sufficient liquidity, swaps may either be delayed or fail altogether. Reality's cross-chain atomic swaps don't need LPs. Instead of relying on a pool of locked assets, Reality enables direct swaps between different blockchain assets using a decentralized protocol. Number 2. Multi-chain scalability. All you need is for one person to set up a node with a Reality app to connect it, and then, poof, all of crypto can benefit from the swaps between that chain and any other. We call those apps our apps. The other guys need much more. Those projects are limited to specific networks and chains. Thorchain, for example, primarily supports Bitcoin and Ethereum, and while Komodo has more flexibility, it still requires custom-built bridges for each blockchain. Reality is built with cross-chain compatibility as a core feature, meaning it can scale across multiple blockchains natively. Other projects are limited to specific chains, while Reality can scale across any blockchain, including future ones that don't exist yet. Number 3. Merged mining and node flexibility. In most other projects, nodes must process all transactions within the network. This limits their flexibility and can create bottlenecks when scaling. Reality lets nodes choose which assets or smart contracts to validate. This makes the system more efficient, scalable, and economically diversified. Other blockchains force nodes to handle all transactions, creating bottlenecks. Reality's flexibility makes nodes more powerful, allowing them to specialize. To give a visual example here, imagine merged mining as a fleet of ships sailing across a vast ocean. Each ship is like a node. In traditional blockchain systems, a node is required to carry every type of cargo. Look at the cargo as the transactions or smart contracts, but carry this regardless of where it's going. This creates inefficiencies, with ships becoming overloaded and slow. With Reality's merged mining, each ship is free to choose only the cargo it wants to carry, be it gold, grain, or gadgets. This flexibility allows each ship to specialize and optimize its journey, making the entire fleet faster, efficient, and better able to serve different trade routes, different blockchains, and dApps. In the above example of the cargo, one ship may specialize in smart contract data, another in transaction validations, and a third in storage requests. With existing blockchains, all the data is together. Of course, Reality's core tech isn't even the swaps. That is just a feature of the network. The ability to rent out unused computing power and leverage its decentralized architecture means it's positioned to disrupt industries beyond finance. It will revolutionize cloud computing, decentralized storage, making it far more than just another blockchain platform. It's a foundation for a broader decentralized economy rooted in generative economics. If you have been in the crypto space for a few years searching for the next big thing and discovered this video, congrats. Join our community in Telegram, ask questions, and build the future with us.